Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about Bell Ointment, a very useful cream to treat skin irritations and minor burns. If you've ever wondered how and when to use it, this video is for you. Bell Ointment is perfect for treating discomforts like chafing, minor burns, and skin rashes. Imagine you burn yourself a little while cooking or get irritated by the sun. In those cases, Bell Ointment can be your best friend. How does it work? It creates a protective layer over the damaged skin, which helps reduce inflammation and makes it heal faster. To use Bell Ointment correctly, the first thing is to clean the affected area well. Then, apply a thin layer of the cream 2 or 3 times a day, or as directed by your doctor. It's important that you continue using it until the skin is completely healed. Although Bell Ointment is usually safe, sometimes it can cause side effects, such as redness or itching where you applied it. If you notice any negative reaction, stop using it and talk to your doctor immediately. And of course, don't use it if you are allergic to any of its ingredients. In short, Bell Ointment is a great option to treat irritations and minor burns on the skin. Don't forget to follow the instructions for use and consult a healthcare professional if you have any questions. Take care of your skin and see you in the next video.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.